Welcome again to the chemistry class. In the previous video, we studied about what is chemical reaction and what are its characteristics. Now, in this, we will study types of chemical reactions. How many types of chemical reactions are there? We will study their examples and how we can recognize the reactions type. So, first type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. As the name says, in this reaction, two or more substances combine to form a single product. इस रिएक्शन में दो या दो से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंसेस आपस में जुड़ के एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ द कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. वी कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल एज वी टेक द प्रीवियस. Carbon plus oxygen give carbon dioxide and heat is also produced in this process. So in this reaction, carbon and oxygen are combining. These are two reactants and one single product, carbon dioxide gas, is being produced. So this is the combination reaction. We can take another example. Calcium oxide, whose common name is quicklime, can also combine with water and form calcium hydroxide, which is called slacked lime. Heat is also produced in this process. So here also there are two reactants, calcium oxide and water, and one product is there, calcium hydroxide. Again, this calcium hydroxide can react with carbon dioxide of air and form calcium carbonate and water. In this reaction, this calcium oxide called quicklime, we can say it is chuna that is used for painting. When we add water in it, it forms calcium hydroxide, चूने का पानी. And when we apply this on the walls, this automatically reacts with carbon dioxide of air and form calcium carbonate. It is called चूने का पत्थर. So these are also the examples of chemical combination reaction. One more example you can take, respiration reaction, which you have studied in biology. Respiration reaction. Glucose in our cells react with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. Glucose reaches to our cells after the process of nutrition. Oxygen reaches to our cells after breathing, and these two combine in our cells and form carbon dioxide and water, and energy is produced in this reaction. This is also a type of combination reaction. Now you can see in all these combination reactions, energy is being produced in any form, in the form of heat or in any form. Energy is being produced. So we can say that all the combination reactions are exothermic reactions because energy is being produced in these in any form, either in the form of heat or any other form. So if energy is being produced, so the reaction will be exothermic. So we can say the combination reactions are exothermic reactions. There are many uses of these combination reaction. Just like we can say in our body, combination reaction is being used for the respiration process to produce the energy in our body. And also combination reaction is used here. We are applying the paint on our walls and it is reacting with carbon dioxide and form a hard mass. So combination reaction can be used in many places. This is first type of chemical reaction. Okay, now second type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. Here also, according to the name, decomposition means to break, टूटना. As like combination means जुड़ना. Here two or more substances were combining. And now decomposition means to break, टूटना. So according to the name, in this reaction, one single product will break and it can't break by its own. One single product will break by using energy, either in the form of heat, or in the form of light, or in the form of electricity. So one single product will break and form two or more products. So here in these reactions, the reactant will be one and much more products will be formed. One reactant will break and form two or more products. So this is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions are of three types according to which type of energy being used to break the reactant. In accordance to that, the decomposition reaction is of three types. First is thermal decomposition. As the name says, this type of decomposition occurs with the help of heat. So one reactant will break by using the heat energy and form two or more products. We can take the example, calcium carbonate in solid form will break by using heat energy and form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. This is the example of thermal decomposition because it is occurring with the help of heat energy. Next is electric decomposition. If the single reactant break with the help of electrical energy by using electric current, then the type of decomposition will be electric decomposition. We can take the example of water. Water in liquid form, if we pass the electric current through this water, one setup we can make by using cathode and anode, and we will pour the water in the beaker and pass the electric current from it. Then what we will observe? On the anode and cathode, we observe two types of different gases are being produced. So the water will dissociate. The water will decompose and form two types of gases, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. These two gases are formed at two different electrodes. Hydrogen will be formed at cathode and oxygen will be formed at anode. So by using the electric current, water can decompose and form two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Here one question can also arise कि among the two gases, the amount of one gas will be double as compared to the other gas, because when we balance this reaction, 2 moles of water will break to form 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. So the amount of oxygen gas produced will be half. Amount of hydrogen gas produced will be doubled. So this is the type of electric decomposition. Third type of reaction is photodecomposition reaction. When one reactant break with the help of light, either it can be artificial light or either it can be sunlight. So if one reactant break by using sunlight and form 2 or more products, then it is called photodecomposition reaction. We can take the example silver chloride. It will break in the presence of sunlight and form silver and chlorine. One more example we can take silver bromide. If it is placed in artificial light, then it will also break in two products, silver of silvery white color and bromine of reddish brown color. So these all are the types of decomposition reaction. That's all for today. In our next videos, we will study about next types of chemical reaction. Students, there is no need for the book if you just want a general study of chemistry of class 10. Okay, this is sufficient. You can read the definition, you can learn the definition, and you can learn many examples. Then you will read the book for your further information, for your further studies. General introduction you can study from this video. Okay, have a nice day.